Hey y'all, this is Zachary. Welcome to Burnt Down's Country Kitchen. This evening we're going to get after the Mac Loaf. Yep, the Mac Loaf. Let's get after these ingredients. All right, y'all, I got my French loaf here. Got my lettuce, my onion. I got pickles. I got relish. I got onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, mustard, mayo, some white vinegar, and of course, the star of the show, tube o' beef. All right, y'all. Let's get after this food. I got a cup of mayo. Let's see. I got a 1/4 cup of relish sitting here. Got a half a teaspoon of paprika. I got 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I have a 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder and onion powder. I will also have 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, because there is no ketchup in mac sauce, you all. I said that last time, I meant it. There is none. All right, go ahead and put this relish in. All right, it's gonna take 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Make sure you shake that mustard up really good, y'all. You know it comes out watery if you don't. That's nasty. Nasty. Come on now. Go. Throw that mustard in there. I'm just gonna give this a quick little stir. So now, a white vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. Paprika is where you get your color from. Not ketchup. Don't get me wrong with it. I don't care. If you want to just use ketchup and relish, go for it. But any mac sauce, this is mac sauce. Look at that. Not bad. All right, we'll set that aside right quick. Okay. Traditionally, they do not use a red onion. I don't care. And it's not going on top anyway. It's the white onion is, so. There is that. There we go. I think I'll just probably cut these in half there, and then cut the garden garbage off the back of it. There we go. Okay, so I got my big half here, top half. Just gonna go ahead and hollow it out. Take a lot of this bread out, because we don't need it. Just be careful not to tear all the way through, or if you do, you can use your bread to stuff it back in there. Pretty good. I'm just gonna smash it in there. Make sure your walls are built up. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this beautiful mac sauce on here. After all, why not? You know, I'm taking advantage of a rainless day today. Still chilly, but there ain't no rain. I'm gonna take some of these red onions I got here, throw them in here. Okay, so I got me some wax paper here. That won't be enough. Just want to flatten this down. Might be too much, we'll see. All right, so got a basic shape of it, right? Put another piece on there. Start smashing it down. We're gonna want it all the same width. All right, so now there we go. So I'm just gonna shape it and squeeze it in there. And you could have put cheese in there if you wanted. I opted not to. Alright. Just press it in there. Just cut off some extra. Peel our extra. Go. It's nice. It's always nice when you got leftover hamburger too, isn't it? Alright, just get it smashed in there. If you don't like touching raw meat, that's fine. Get some gloves. I'm gonna wash the heck out of my hands. And yes, I said wash. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and season this meat up real quick. Some garlic powder. Use whatever you want, as much as you want. Completely up to you. Some onion powder. Pepper. I'm just going to pat that in. Let that sticking to it. Look, I tell y'all, always have a paper towel handy for when you're touching meat so you don't cross-contaminate. Alright. Let's go fire this on the grill. I got a good temp going. Of course, indirect. These are on, these are off. Go. Just like that. Alright, y'all, at that time again. Like, share, subscribe. Subscriptions help. Definitely helps. But so do the views. I keep telling y'all. The views are a big part of it as well. So those of you that tune in every week, I appreciate you. Those of you that don't, come on now. Come on. Let's do this. All right, y'all. Enough of the business. Let's get to the food. Go ahead and get some pickles cut up here. Take a quick look here. Still good. Try hanging out a little bit. We're definitely not there yet. little bit. Yep. You'll see in the middle, it's nice and pink, so we are not there. Check these out. It's looking pretty good. There we go. On there. That's what I'm talking about. Bound to lose some bread. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Man, that's looking so good. Cannot wait. Start putting some cheese on here. Want it even all over this thing, right? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let that warm up. Let's go ahead and take this off. About where we're at. Man. Yeah. Is that not great? Always make sure you turn it off and your gas. Cheese is nice and melted. Meat should be up to temp. I checked it with temperature. Go ahead and get our mac sauce on top here. After all, why wouldn't we, right? Got a little blowout right here. Almost looks like a bite taken out, but nope. That piece ended up in the bottom of the barbecue grill. Be all right. Not a big deal. The last thing here, more lettuce, all nice and cut up. See if this is enough. If not, we'll cut a little more up. Go ahead and get let's get some pickles on first. How about that? Plenty of pickles, right? All right, so next, with our onion here. Onions and our lettuce, still to go. All right, put some lettuce on here. Oh, we almost forgot, y'all. It'll be in a sin. Gotta have our tomatoes. Right? And last, but not least, strategically put this on there. Mac sauce all over this thing, right? There we go. Alright. Man. Yeah. Can you see it? Come on. All right, let's cut us some off here. Yeah. One pour on me. All right. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. That's good. That is really messy. But of course, if it ain't messy, we didn't do it right, did we? We did that one right. Ooh, all right, that is really good. I'm gonna tear into this. Make me a salad to go with it. Whew, had to shake that one off. That's so good. All right, y'all. I hope you liked it. Make something. Make anything. Make the Mac Loaf. Why not, right? It's like a Big Mac, but it's in a French bread loaf. You can stuff whatever you want in there. You could do a different style. I'll be doing different ones. I got Mac sauce all still across my mouth. All right, y'all. Hope you liked it. Till next time.